Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Root Beer here looking at question 20, the last question that is worth 6 marks on our 2019 Gauss paper. The positive integer n has exactly 8 positive divisors, including 1 and n. 2 of these divisors are 14 and 21. What is the sum of all 8 positive divisors of n? Okay. So, we know that 14 divides n, and 21 divides n, but if a number divides 14, then it's got to divide n as well. Now, when we're talking about divisors, we definitely know that 1 and n are divisors, right? Okay. We don't quite know what n is, so we'll leave him off for a moment. We know 14 is a divisor, so is 21. But anything that divides them must also be a divisor of n. So 2, because 2 divides 14. 3, because 3 divides 21, and 7. 7 divides 14 and 21, actually. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of our 8 factors. Okay? But there are numbers that we know will divide n that haven't been told to us and haven't been deduced yet. For example, 2 divides n, but so does 3. So combining them to make 6. 6 is also going to be a factor. Right? So we can squeeze 6 in there. And now we've got 7. 7 of our factors. We only really have one more. Now, do we have n? Well, if we had n, it would be the biggest number, right? 21 appears to be the biggest number. Do all of these divide 21? Well, 6 doesn't, and 2 doesn't, and 14 doesn't. So we are missing something. We're missing n. N's got to be a little bit bigger, right? Now, I said 2 doesn't divide 21. So what if we combined 2 and 21? You'd get 42. And 3 divides 42, 6 divides 42, 7, 14, 21. All of these divide 42. Right? 42 is going to have to be our n. They didn't actually ask us what n is. What did they ask us for? They wanted the sum of all 8 positive divisors. So 1 and 2 is 3, and then another 3 is 6, and then another 6 is 12, 7 is 19, or you can just grab your calculator. 14 and 19 is going to be what, 33, 21 and 33 is going to end in a 4, 54, and then add in the 42, you'll get 96. So 96 should be our answer, assuming everything worked out, and there it is, D. D will be our answer for question 20, and that's going to conclude part B. So up next, we're going to be going through part C with question 21 to start us off. These last 5 questions on the contest are a little harder, so if you haven't given them a try, I would strongly urge you to sort of pause, or at least stop watching for a little bit, and try 21, 22, all the way up to 25. See how far you make it, and then come back and join me as I go through those. Okay? I'll see you shortly.